Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by Sendwin.
So you've installed Sendwin, and your next question is what should you be doing, right? So at first, when you register on the site Sendwin site, so you basically can see that your email is popped up here because it basically reflects that you're basically logged in. In case you're not logged in, you'll see here two options, one saying login and another saying sign up. So you basically have to log in with the same credentials that you just created an account with, and then you should be seeing this, this particular interface where you have your email address instead of the login and sign up. Okay, so once you're logged in, what you can do is your next step would be create on this button called install extension, and then depending on the browser that you're using, either you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox, you can install the extension. So for now I'm using Chrome, so I'll just click on install extension, and this would open up the web store page of Sendwin. As you can see, the web store page for Sendwin has opened. So basically when you install this extension, you will get an option of add to Chrome. So you basically have to click on add to Chrome. You get another alert here, so you click on confirm and this extension gets added here. So basically you have to click on this extension icon here, and then you have to pin it. Okay, you have to pin it by simply clicking on this pin icon. Okay, so when you click this, you have this pin, this Sendwin icon appearing over here. So what you have to do is now, if you're logged into this Sendwin site, you'll be automatically logged into the extension. But however, in case it asks you to log in, you have to put in your credentials and log in back again. And now you can create multiple sessions, and you can basically do all this good stuff with Sendwin that you already know about it, right? You can like create multiple sessions, blur sessions, set sessions, and you can also have a great time with Sendwin, right? So let me show you how to create a session, basically, because Sendwin is a multi-login tool. So let me just show you how to create a session with Sendwin. So for now, here I'm logged into my Twitter account. It could be any other social media site. I'm telling you, it's just not dependent on any social site, but you can use any other website, right? You can create your multiple sessions for any site that you want to. And basically, next what you can do is you have to click on this Sendwin icon, and then you can create either a save session or an unsaved session. So basically you have to always create a save session because it allows you to save your session, basically create a permanent kind of a thing. Okay, so you click on save session, then you have to enter a name. I mean, you can name it anything, maybe Twitter. Okay, I will just give it Twitter hash. You can give it a group name, right? I have a group called Twitter created. I have a group called social created. So you can basically create groups like this. You can basically select them. Okay, for now I'm just going with Twitter, right? And I'll just create an ad, and you see it just opens up a new tab, and the icon has changed. You can see the icon color has changed. So what I can do is I can basically log out from here, and let me tell you, if whatever I do in this tab, won't affect this tab. So basically this is the cool thing here, and I can log out and I can log into some other account and basically create a new account. So this is how you particularly use Sendwin to log into multiple accounts. And I hope this tutorial has come handy for you, has been helpful for you, and if it did help you, and then do make sure to let us know by hitting that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to stay connected with us. Drop your queries in the comment section. We're very happy reverting back to your doubts. And this was it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video with a new topic. Till then,
Take care and bye bye.